payment order. Let's begin. On Smart Assist, this is the order details page. Here, you will find all the details of the customer's order, like the order date, order value, name of the product, order status, etc. In this example, we can see click on the suggested issues pages. The issues which are not applied symbol, it will show you the reason. When return has to be created, select Customer Return Requested option from the drop-down. Please note that this issue will be enabled only after the order status shows as delivered. This window will pop up next. In this example, since there is only one item in the order, it is auto-selected by the system. Now click on the Proceed button. When there are multiple items in the order, select the item for which customer wants to create a return. Once the item is selected, click on the Proceed button. Now, you need to check with the customer the reason for returning the product and select the same from the drop-down given. Once the reason for return is selected, select the return sub-reason from the drop-down based on the customer VOC. Once you have selected the return reason and sub-reason, you need to add the notes based on the customer's issue and the solution that we are providing to the customer. Once the notes have been updated, click on Submit. Please note that the Not Eligible button has to be used in case the product is not eligible for return. On this page, we can see the customer's pickup address. Below that, there is a Resolve By drop-down, which will have the applicable return types. For selecting the return type, there will be 3 tabs available: Address Change, Override, and Continue with Above Address. In case the customer wants the pickup to be done from a different address, select Address Change option. This page will appear next. There will be a list of addresses. These addresses are saved by the customer in their My Profile section of their Flipkart account. Hence, it shows up here. Select the address as mentioned by the customer and click on Proceed. In case a new address has to be added, click on Add New Address. Based on the PIN code, the system will check if the new address is eligible or not for the pickup. Edit address can be used for editing the existing address. For going back to the previous page, click on the Cancel option. If the given pickup address is confirmed by the customer, then click on Continue with Above Address option. Please note that Override option has to be selected in scenarios when we have to override the return. Please note that this screen will appear for COD or partial payment orders. The system will ask the NEFT details of the customer. Now click on the Refund Reason drop-down. From the drop-down, select the reason for refund based on the customer's issue and what customer has communicated over the call. For selecting the refund reason, click on Submit. The system will ask to enter the NEFT details of the customer. Once the required details are captured, it's time to pitch the customer satisfaction survey as per the instructions given before wrapping up the call. The customer satisfaction survey pitch will be available in English as well as Hindi. Choose the one based on the language that the customer is conversing in. In the Take Notes section, type clear, detailed and complete communication notes based on the conversation with the customer. Kindly note that entering detailed communication notes is necessary as it helps for future reference when we want to know exactly what the customer's issue was and what action was taken. Post entering the communication notes, click on Update Incident button. Incident gets updated successfully and incident ID gets created. Click on the Close button to complete the process.